While we fly through space multiple times, I'm going to have a slurp of a nice liquid refreshment known as Tropicana. Pure orange juice. It makes my day. It makes my bacon. Oh, this might be the place that was in the demo that I played all those years ago. Like 10 years ago. And I think we learned to use Clank as a helicopter thing. Yeah, pretty sure this is it. Definitely, actually. Oh! Oh! Can I afford it? A little bit. Zelda! Nope. Yeah, kind of. One-handed Zelda. Must be good. Is it any good? We'll find out once I'm done searching for treasure. Oh. It's not very unique. And it has a very stock sound effect. Oh. Oh great, now I can destroy those for more money. What did you do? Poff. I could destroy mushrooms for money, why not dodgy looking trees? They deserve to be destroyed just out of principle. Principal Skinner, no less. I hate Simpsons, so shut up. Ooh. Ah! Scared me. Can I have my money? I don't know, it might have come up through the floor. Yeah, shooting things. Video games promote violence. Makes me want to go kill people in real life, apparently. But let's not get into that. What are you doing? Oh, having more range than your common enemy, that's what. Die. You don't have more health than your common enemy, though. Oh, stop destroying everything. Yeah, stop destroying everything. So, no, afraid not. You think you're so skilled? Sending your attack dogs after me? I've got the most basic weapon in history, which is apparently good enough. So, oi! As much as I like trees, thanks. What, so you go back into them? Good job, Paul. I mean, idiot. I'm being a rebel. Going this way. La-di-da. I'd rather have the flamethrower back, actually. Oh no. If this was a modern day game, there would be like skill points for destroying every destroyable object in the level. Random bolt up there. Put a random bolt up there. It might feel good. Still don't know why fire works on all the robots. Actually, it's not as good. Yeah, really. You'd probably get 1 or 2 weapons with the game.
That's the man we saw in the info box. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
And then every game is microtransactions.
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy.
You're fat.
Nerd.
Yeah.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark.
Captain QWERTY.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Yes.
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Yeah.
Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time.
Upgrade.
Now, of course, I'll just need my fee.
It only costs 10 real life pounds. Oh, close enough. 1,000 bolts. Fudge! You're as fat as Moneybags.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait.
Ow! You said it would.
Am I cool now?
No.
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
No. I didn't say thank you, so why are you saying I'm welcome? Shut up. Oh, there's a car. Oh, it's just a glorified elevator. What? No, wait, I didn't want to. Oh. Oh, that's alright, as long as it stays here. I'm getting off. Thanks. I know there's already a game called DLC Quest, but I should make a game that makes fun of DLC. Virus Bloke 3, Attack of DLC. It's good because it rhymes. Hello, C. Graham. I haven't played DLC Quest yet, I'll probably record it someday. Oh yeah, speaking of that, since it's probably a short game, it reminded me, there's a kind of well, not bonus, I don't know, a little surprise playthrough coming.
Captain Quark fitness course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer.
Okay.
Simply make your way to the 3rd island to complete the course.
Oh.
Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Or lost lives. You forgot that
Excuse
one.
me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
He's dead.
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
It's a robot! Die, robot. You can't kill a robot, it's not alive in the first place. Chunk, chunk. Ooh. I got 6 bolts. That was a worthwhile... What is that? That was a worthwhile trip. Oh. Oh, the camera. I set it up to be not inverted for a reason, and then I still go and mess it up. Because apparently holding left to look left isn't obvious enough for me. I was also going to say something else, but now I've forgotten, because stuff happened. I have ADD probably, which is why I can't read books. Alternatively, it's because I just don't shut up. Oh god, it's Tomb Raider. Except the ropes actually work in this game. Blood sausage. Oh, don't go in, you stupid platform. What a limited time offer. Oh no. It gets worse. Oh. Look at his face. You can't now because he's not doing it. Whatever.
These moving walls also function as jump slots.
Oh.
Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in the air.
Why are you telling me how to do that now? I had to do it twice to get this far. New Tomb Raider's alright. Not great though. One big problem I have when playing it though is that playing it makes me want to play the old ones more. Yum! I didn't know I lost health. Oh well. Now I didn't. Unless I... No. Okay, I'm not missing any. What is that?
Listen up, you that was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course.
It's disgusting.
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it was weak. Weak! When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
But that's not all.
If it were up to you, you would drill.